Well, it's January 13th on a Friday night, and I drove this electric car home, 8 miles from work, in a Mitsubishi IMEF. I'm in the middle of a storm, and thank God, Jesus helped me get home, but I drove an electric car in this, and it did pretty well. The features on it with the economy and the braking system really helped. I wanted to show you how bad this is. Look at the tire tracks. I mean, this is just a severe storm. I mean, you can't even see the road. I mean, here's the cars. They're all buried in there. And see, it's just, look how deep the tire track is. With being an electric car, it is heavier, which helped me get up more traction and get through the snow. See, look, you can hardly see where a road is, only where my tracks were, and I'm on a hill where people usually get stuck. But I didn't in this car because of the weight, because of the batteries. It's a smaller car, but it's heavier. I mean, it's really bad. I mean, it's coming down. It's just like a major storm. I don't mind the cold, but I'm very thankful to Jesus. He got me home. I prayed. But this is the vehicle, that vehicle I drove. And again, all electric. See, I got it plugged in by the extension cord. And as you can see, see, Mitsubishi IMEF. And can't see really well because of the light, but yeah. So, and again, this is Akron, Ohio, a major storm. And I like it, kind of. It's scary times, but look how beautiful and peaceful it is. Not a person stirring but me. I mean, this is almost 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm filming. But it's beautiful out here. Yeah. And again, people should not be on the roads in this unless they have to. And thank you.